Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about next family from Gamopetalae, that is Apocynaceae. So let's begin with its magnitude. Apocynaceae is represented by 400 genera and 4555 species in world, and it is represented by 150 genera and 1700 species in India. This family is showing trees as well as shrubs, lianas or herbaceous habit. For example, Catharanthus, Marathi name of this plant is Sadafuli. Stem is aerial, erect, branched, cylindrical. Cylindrical means circular, solid or fistular. Solid means from internal part it is completely filled, whereas fistular means from internal part it is hollow. Leaves are alternate or opposite or furled. This differs from species to species. When furled, there are 3 leaves per furl. These are simple, margin is entire, leaves are stipulate or exstipulate, both the conditions you will form. Stipules when present, it is interpetiolar and these are very small. Inflorescence is panicle. Flowers are either bracteate or ebracteate. Ebracteate is the condition you will see in Catharanthus, that is Sadafuli. It is bracteolate, regular, usually tetra or pentamerous symmetry. Hypogynous disc is usually present. Here you will see Catharanthus roseus. This is Thievesia nerifolia. This is Alamanda, and this is Plumeria pudica. In this slide, we'll study about floral characteristics of the family. Sepals are 5 in number. It is Gamosepalous. Regular, imbricate or quincuncial type of estivation can be seen, with the median member is posterior in nature. Here you will be able to see that this is Gamopetalous condition, and you can count the lobes, that these lobes are 5 in number, and this posterior median member you can see. Then corolla, petals are 5, Gamopetalous and twisted estivation. Somewhere it is velvet, and here you will see different colors like white, yellow, red, pink, purple, blue. It is depending from species to species. Here see the habit of Catharanthus roseus, which is herb. Here you will see the flower, inflorescence, calyx, corolla and separate calyx also shown in this figure. Androecium, the member of androecium is stamens, which are 5 in number. They are always epipetalous when the family is Gamopetalous. Then alternating with corolla members, it is sagittate. This word sagittate came from Latin language, which means arrowhead or arrow shaped. If you look, this is the filament, here is the connective, and if you look here for the shape of the anther lobes, which is looking like that of an arrowhead, and above that you can see a hairy structure, and such type of stamen is called as a sagittate stamen, and this is a prominent characteristic of this family Apocynaceae. It is dificus. Here you will be able to see this is one anther lobe and this is another anther lobe. It is inserted because stamens are present inside the corolla lobe, and it is intrors. The dehiscence line is facing towards inner side. That's why this is called as the intrors. Gynoecium member is carpel. In this family it is bicarpellary. Syncarpus means ovules are fused. Superior axile placentation, that is seen. We'll see all these figures in next slide. Fruit is pair of follicle, and the floral formula is ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 united, petals 5 united, androecium 5, epipetalous condition, and gynoecium is 2 in number, syncarpus and superior. Here you will be able to see all the details, that this is ovary, this is style, this is stigma, epipetalous stamens, these are the sepals, and these are the petals. Here individual part of ovary is represented. This is thalamus, this is scaly nectary which is just below the ovary, this is ovary, this is style, and here you can see stigma. This is bicarpellary syncarpus ovary with scaly nectary can be seen. This is a fruit, and this is one follicle, this is another follicle, and this is actually called as a pair of follicle. And once this follicle is open, you can see these kind of seeds are present. This is floral diagram where this is represented as calyx, this is corolla, these are the androecium. Here you will be able to see that this is twisted estivation, here it is velvet type of estivation. Then these stamens are attached to the petals, so this condition is epipetalous, and this is bicarpellary syncarpus ovary, and this is a mother axis. Then systematic position as per Bentham and Hooker's classification system. So division is phanerogams, class is dicotyledons because embryo with 2 cotyledons, and leaves are with reticulate venation. Subclass is gamopetally because petals are fused. Series is bicarpellity because ovary is bicarpellary. Then cohort is actually word which is used for order, that is gentianales, and order or natural order is actually the synonymous word used by this Bentham and Hooker for family, and that is Apocynaceae. In this slide, let us discuss about economic importance of family Apocynaceae. The pulpy fruits of Carissa carandus, Marathi name of this plant is Karvanda, and its fruits are edible. In the month of May and June, it has fruits. These fruits are edible, very delicious, and these can also be pickled for further use throughout the year. The roots of Rauwolfia serpentina, Marathi name of this plant is Sarpagandha, are used in lowering blood pressure, as well as it is sedative. It is even stimulator for uterine contraction, and even the decoction of the roots is used in some mental diseases. The juice of leaves extracted from Catharanthus roses, Sadafuli, is used for removal of opacities of the cornea of the eyes and for making anti-cancerous drugs also. Many species of Hancora, Daira, Urceola are used as sources of rubber. The latex is obtained from the plant parts, and that latex is used for making good quality rubber. Then plants like Nerium, that is Kaner, Catharanthus, that is Sadafuli, Thivetia, that is Bitti, Rhytia, Alamanda are cultivated in gardens as ornamental plants. So these are few of the economic importances of family Apocynaceae. So this way we have finished this family. Thank you all.